Okay, a little rainy day at the cabin today, so it's a good day to work on this project. I'm going to be putting in a heater, but today in this video is basically going to be the unboxing. It's a Mart direct vent propane heater. It's got thermostat, adjustable, so it's supposed to heat, I believe, 600 square feet. Cabin's 500 square feet. So with that and with the wood stove, should keep it toasty hopefully through the Alberta winters. See what it has for stats here on the side. Gas propane, ceramic glass. It's got a nice glass on the front so you can see the flames. That'd be kind of nice. Power input is 20,000 BTU. Heat capacity about 540. Yeah, it's a little under 600 square feet. Height 22 5/8 inches, 57.5 centimeters. Length 66 centimeters, 26 inches. Depth 21 centimeters, 8 1/4 inches. And weighs 21.5 kilograms or 47.4 pounds. So let's open her up. Well, first thing I noticed is it's packaged very well, and so it should be, right? This is the exhaust. It's going to go through the wall, just out the cabin. Good instructions. I'll have to read through that well. And gives you a template. That'd be good, eh? Mount that on the wall. You know exactly where to cut out. Mounting hardware, plates. I imagine one for inside, one for the outside. But I'll go through that all in the instructions when I go to install it. Very well built. Bring the camera in a little closer. Yeah, it's got some sort of coating on here. Metal, obviously. It's awesome. There's a ceramic window. You can see the flame will be going in there. Got the adjustments on top here. Pilot light, off, high, low. That's a striker, just like on the barbecue, on some barbecues. Yeah, and built-in thermostat. This is how the back looks. And of course all your operating lighting instructions, different languages, all the specs on it. Oh, you even got inspection dates to get it if you want to get it inspected. I think that's what that is. Yeah, it's very special. This is CSA approved, and also the American approval, whatever that is in the States, whatever is equivalent to CSA. Yeah, I took the front off just to give you a look inside. There's just 3 screws on top here. There's the burn chamber, glass. Looks like you got screws here too. You could take it off probably if you got to clean the glass. If you want to clean the glass sometime. There's the sight view glass there, just to see if the pilot light, if it's lit. Down at the bottom is the connection for the propane. So I'll just be running that out and through the wall to a 100-pound tank outside. There's different ways of doing it. And obviously, if you don't feel comfortable, you just get a professional to install it for you. But I think I'm a pretty handy guy, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just follow the instructions. But that's basically the unboxing. On the next video regarding this heater, I'm going to do the install. Maybe today, but probably not today because it's raining so much outside. No point rushing it. Take my time and get it done right. But we'll catch you on the next video.